So on the internet, right? On the internet, all the websites are connected. Now, uh, there are two things that we talked about. One is the website, and second is the domain name. Okay. So website, you can develop anything, any website. You can have a content, you can draw it, you can design it, you can make it beautiful, right? If you open a coffee shop, then you can design a beautiful website, talks about what is your coffee, what kind of coffees you make, what kind of dishes you serve, what kind of drinks you serve. You can make the detailed website which has all the information on the images. But you need a unique domain name of your website. Like your home address is unique in the world. Your home address is unique in the world, right? So likewise, the domain name is also unique. Okay. Now let me show you what I mean when it is unique, when I say unique. Okay. So
So
now, sorry.
I will keep the name of my company Yanara Rock Corporation, so that no one can use it again.
Correct, correct, correct. So you have to buy the domain name of your company. Okay, you have to buy a domain of your company. Like say when you said www.yahoo.com, so Yahoo is reserved by the Yahoo company. If you type www.microsoft.com, so Microsoft is reserved by Microsoft. Similarly, if you open a cake shop, so you can name it www.thecakeshop.com. Okay, this is like a unique address that nobody should have. It is your own unique name of your company, and the same name you can keep the website. Okay, take an example of the Colors School. Okay, we have Colors School, Preschool, and the Colors Innovation Academy. So when I type on Google Colors Preschool Pune, are you able to see it?
No.
Okay, I will share it. Now say it properly, everybody. Okay. So when I search in Google, this is the Google screen, right? I will show it again. So when I go to Google and then I search Colors Preschool Pune, okay? So then I get all the listing of Colors Preschool, okay? Colors Preschool in Wakad and all the other areas, right?
Sir,
Pune, yes.
can you show us the images?
Sorry?
There is also option given as images of Colors Preschool.
Yes, yes. So the Google search everything and share whatever is available on the internet with the name Colors Preschool in Pune. Okay. Now I will show you when I click this. Okay. When I click this, I want to show you the website now. Okay. And how to develop the website is what I will show you. So when I click this link, Colors Preschool, okay, it opens this page for us. Okay. Now look at the top, colorspreschool.com. Okay, so colorspreschool.com. This is www.colorspreschool.com at the top. Okay, so when you type this www.colorspreschool.com, that is unique in the world. There is only one website with this name, colorspreschool.com, in the whole world. There cannot be two websites with the colorspreschool.com. So the domain name is colorspreschool.com for us. Okay. If you open a cake shop and you want to name it, what do you want to name your cake shop?
Yanara Cake Shop.
Sinora Cake
Sir,
Shop. So
sir,
you can buy the domain name with a Sinora www.sinorakekeshop.com. So that will be your unique domain name.
sir,
And yes,
like when I had to act like Mark Zuckerberg, the youngest billionaire, it was written that he registered the domain name the Facebook.
yes. So if you can be creative, and register the domain names and buy the domain name with you. If somebody wants the Senora.com tomorrow, they will come to you and purchase that domain name from you because you have already registered in on your name. So similarly, if somebody registered something else and tomorrow somebody wants that domain name, they will have to come and take your
But
permission.
we want to name it. We want to name it as a like.
Start your video. I can't see it. Please, everybody, start your video.
Sir, I'm asking a question that we want to name the shop. We want to buy it like my shop, like that names.
You
or
can be
our names.
no, not a name because see, you want a fashion designing, right? Barbie shop, right? Barbie cloth shop. So your name should be your name of the website should be such that people understand what is it for.
Okay.
So if you are opening a cake shop, then you should say thecakeshop.com or delicious cake shop or something which talks about what you do in your shop. Okay. So with the name of your website, people will know that they do the cake service, right? They service the cake.
Like
Guys, I know a lot of you guys are making the shapes and making the faces. Please do not do this. Okay, everybody.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What somebody is saying, asking something, and switch on the cameras, everybody, please, so that I know you are understanding or not understanding. Okay, everybody, please switch on your video. Are you all liking the session?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, so then switch on your videos. If I can't see you, I don't understand whether you are getting it, not getting it. If there is a problem, how do I know? Everybody, please switch on your video. Sanvi. Okay.
Sir, can I tell my website name?
Yes, tell your website name.
My website name is Anais Toys.
Sorry, Anay.
My website name is Anais Beautiful Toys.
Wow, Anay Beautiful Toy. That's a good name. That you can keep it. Usually, anything that you do, the name of your company is what they try to put it. Okay. Like say we have a Colors Preschool. Okay. So look at this website that we have developed. You can make much more beautiful website like this. So this is the website. This is the domain name of our website. Colorspreschool.com is the domain name, which is unique for us. Nobody else can have this name. And then you have a website development on this. So in the website, you can share any information, like say this one. Okay, we have this information. Are you able to see this?
Yes.
So you can be creative. You can make beautiful website with all the details there that what you do. Okay, so you can be creative. You can make much more beautiful website like this, which talks about your product and services. If you make cake, you can give the cake picture. If you make toys, you can make the toys picture. You can talk about how you make those toys. So you can be very creative in developing your website. So whoever comes and see your website should feel that he has to come to you and talk to you to take your toys. Okay, so that you can be creative. Okay, now
But how do we make this website?
I will tell you. Please wait. I'm just sharing you what is website. Right, we'll come to the development also. Now you see on your website you can share any information, right? Like say for example, we have shared the videos. Okay, so we have shared a lot of videos that you can give the links to the videos here. Okay, you can talk about different videos, what they can do, and stuff like that. So all these videos are available on the website. You can talk about what is your team, right? who all are working with you, helping you, right? So these are all the people that you can, you can share the pictures of your team and everybody. You can write the message for your everybody, right? Similarly, you can give the address. Somebody wants to reach out to you, you can give the addresses, right? So this is the address of all the setups, right? All the branches. So likewise, if you have 100 shops, you can give 100 shops, all the shops address on one page, so that people know you have 100 shops. They can go and reach out to your shops anywhere in India or abroad. You can have your shops anywhere in India, right? So you need the website to talk about how many shops you have, where do you have it, what are the addresses of those shops and the contact numbers and everything, right? So you can be creative and make the website very interactive and good, so that people can come and reach out to you, right? So website contains all the information about your shop, your product, your services, what you offer. Everybody's okay so far? Okay, so somebody tell me what is difference between domain and the website. Astha, can you tell me what is the difference between domain and the website? Unmute yourself, yeah.
Sir, website is something that we name that like colors.com.
And what is domain?
Sir,
Domain. I know the meaning of both the.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Please go
sir,
ahead.
I'm using domain.
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
I don't understand what is domain.
Okay. I will
sir,
tell.
can I tell?
Okay, tell. Okay, tell
Domain,
me.
domain means what type of name you will name it. Like for
Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you one more time.
Sir, I want to tell.
Okay, tell.
Sir, the meaning of domain is we cannot use that name again.
Yeah, so like your home address, right? Your home address is unique in the world. Can somebody else have a same home address?
Yes.
Nobody can have your home address. So everybody have their home address is unique in the world. Similarly, the address of your website is unique in the world, is called as domain, right? So your website will have a unique name in the world on the internet. There is no other website with the same name. So the website that we are looking at right now is colorspreschool.com. Okay, so that is a domain name. So I will show you one more domain name. Okay, I'm going to another website, which is okay now. So this is the Facebook. Okay. So likewise, you can also develop your product Facebook, which you can share with everybody, all your friends, everybody. Okay. So this is the website which talks about the Facebook, right? All your everybody can post a lot of information and stuff like that. So
Sir,
yes,
do you remember that I have invented Facebook?
yes, yes. So you can develop your Facebook also, and share the information about your page. Everybody with everyone. Okay, so that is all about website and the Facebook. Okay, now let us hear this again in the video, in a short video. I will share that.
Hi there. In this video, you'll learn what hosting is, and we'll identify the 4 types of hosting available at GoDaddy. To make your website visible on the web, your website's files and data must be physically stored on a computer that is connected to the internet. These large, high-powered computers are called web servers. Website hosts are companies that physically house several web servers in one location, or what is sometimes referred to.
See, what happens is when you develop your website, you have to store it on the internet. Okay, so there are companies which having a very large servers. Okay, like GoDaddy is one company which maintains the website for all the companies, many companies. Okay, so GoDaddy is one company. Likewise, there are many companies which maintain the website. Okay, now you can see they have a very big servers where you can store your website information and people can come and check out. So this is what
as a data center. In addition to housing the web servers, website hosts provide the software, security, support, and bandwidth that connects your website to the internet. Think of a website hosting company.
See, this is the website hosting company. So our Colors Preschool website is hosted on their servers. So we make a website and deploy. So that is called as hosting on the server. Okay, the website is hosted on the server.
Like a shopping center that contains several individual stores. If you want to open a store at the shopping center, you can lease space in it and set up shop. Just like a shopping center, website hosting companies enable you to lease space on their web servers, where you can store your website files and make them available for visitors to view on the internet. To accommodate a wide variety of websites and customer needs,
see, like your shop in the mall, right? You have a website on the internet. Okay, and website on the internet is deployed on the server, in the company server, and they provide you the security, safety, data, bandwidth, everything on the website. Okay,
there are a variety of hosting solutions. Hosting solutions are broadly categorized based on.
okay, everybody understood this so far? So you make website, you take a domain and then deploy it on the server. Okay, so that is what is called as hosting. So you have a website, domain, and the hosting on a server. Okay, now somebody asked, how do you develop the website? Okay, how do you develop the website?
Yes, I was going to ask it next.
Okay,
I have a question.
yes. Yes,
How
tell me.
can we like if we want to develop a website, so how can we give it to the website servers?
Yes, website server. Yes, so I will tell you how do we give it. Okay, so are you able to see my screen?
Yes.
So I will go to godaddy.com.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody look at this. I am going to the service provider called GoDaddy. It's a company name. Okay, godaddy.com. Okay, look at what is there. Okay, godaddy.com. Okay, so what is there in this? It is written domains, hosting, emails. Okay, what is written there at the top? You can buy the domain. You can host your website.
Domains, hosting, email.
Yeah, so you can buy the domain. So like say you want to buy, so what is written here, find your perfect domain. Okay, so so let us find out if there is a domain available. So if I want to start a cake shop, thecakeshop.com. I want to start a cake shop with the name thecakeshop.com. Okay, I will search if there is any other domain of somebody has taken this domain or not. So when I click on the search, it will search on the internet and then give me the result. Okay, so what it says, So it says the cake shop is available. Okay, the cake shop is available, but it is going to cost me so much. It is going to cost me some 43 lakhs rupees. 43 lakhs rupees to buy this domain. Okay, because it is very common, it is very expensive. Okay, so I have to find out some other name. Okay, I can't purchase 43 lakhs rupees domain because it's very common and very easy for people to remember. This is very expensive. Now look at the options they gave me below that. So they have given me the cake shop, the cake.shop, the cake shop.store, the your cake shopping. So I can pick up, like say this one, yourcakeshopping.com, right? It is very easy, cheaply available, 199 rupees, right? So I can take this one, which is cheap, right? So I can buy this domain, and so if I add this domain, it will directly get to added to my cart. The way you buy your groceries. Yes.
Where we will get this one in the Google.
Sorry. Everybody mute yourself first.
Where we will get this one from in the Google or from the
probably they want to ensure that
result.
because SAP is the backbone of Syngenesis.
Somebody please mute your lines, please. Everyone mute your lines and switch on your videos. Please do not turn off your videos. Switch on your video. Savanna, what are you asking? Everyone, turn on your videos. Yeah, somebody is asking something. Chitransh, turn on your video, Arnav. Everyone join this on time and switch on your videos. Otherwise, I can understand you are following or not following.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
Yes. Yes.
We will get this one.
Sorry.
I was asking that from where we will get this one.
Yeah, so that's what I'm explaining. So there are companies which basically sell the domain. Okay. So if you go to godaddy.com, there are many companies like this. I'm trying on a godaddy.com. Okay. So if I go to godaddy.com, this will open up. Okay. godaddy.com. See this. I'm going again. Can you see the screen now? Can you see the screen now?
Yes.
Okay, so this screen, when you go to godaddy.com, if you want to buy something, right? What is the name of your shop, Tamanna? What is the blessing? What is the name that you gave to your website?
Which one?
Your product company. What is your Barbie?
Shining dresses.
Okay, so let us see whether we can find shining dresses. Shiningdresses.com. Is that okay?
Sir, on
Yes.
which topic this meeting is based?
Sorry?
On which topic this meeting is based on?
IT.
Okay.
Sir, but I didn't understand how to develop a website.
I will tell you everything. First, I'm telling you domain. Okay, name. You have to buy the name of your company on the internet, right? So that is what we are buying right now, and then we will develop the website also. Okay. So if I open a website called shiningdresses.com, okay, and then I will search whether somebody else have taken this or not. So if it is available, then I can buy it. So when I click the search, it will search the whole internet if somebody has purchased this or not. Okay. See this, it is still searching. Now, so what it says, shiningdresses.com is available. Okay. So you can buy this domain now and secure for yourself, your company. Okay. So shiningdresses.com is available. Okay. If you purchase it, nobody else will be able to take it. Okay. This is your company name on the internet. Okay. then nobody else in the world can have the same name. You can purchase it, and every year you have to pay some fee. Okay, so if Tamanna wants to buy this, she has to pay 199 rupees, only 199 rupees, and purchase this domain name. How much? How much rupees?
190.
199 rupees, which is less than the cost of your lunch, right? I mean, we spend 1,000 rupees at the hotel. So this is only 200 rupees. You can buy the domain name. Okay. Now, when I click on this add card, I can pay 199 rupees and buy this domain. Okay. Everybody understand this? What I'm doing right now?
Yes.
Okay, very nice. So this is the first step. If you want to set up something on the internet, this is the first step, that you buy your domain name of your company. Okay. Now, then once I buy this, okay, once I buy this, then I can develop a website. Okay. So I will show you what we have done for colors.
Says tells that yeah, my parents will buy.
My parents will buy it.
Yes.
Will register the name. Say.
I will tell you how to buy it, and we will develop the website for you. Okay. This week.
Say yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We will make a beautiful website for you this week. Okay.
Okay.
Now, so I'm going in and showing you all that how to develop the websites. Okay. Now, we already have an account in Google. Oh, sorry, GoDaddy. So I'm showing you our account. I've logged in into the account. So we show you I showed you the Colors Preschool, right? Website. So I will show you now how I have developed those websites. Okay. It is very easy. Okay. And I will teach you all how to develop the website. It won't take much time. Okay. It will be a 1 week job for you, that you can develop your beautiful website. Beautiful website. People will say, wow. Okay. So now, see, this is the website that we have for Colors Preschool. This is what you saw on the screen, right? When we were seeing the website, correct? This is the same thing, right? Now you can change anything. There are a lot of things directly available. You don't have to do anything actually. You can pick up what you like and then show it on the website. Okay, so this here, you can look at the theme. Okay. Now if I want to, so this is my home page, the first page, where I'm showing little children playing with the transport, right? Small buses and all of that. Right? Sorry, if I want to change this, I can change this. Okay, I can go and update this picture and pick up. Let me show you what all the other images are available. Then I can change the image. See, if I want to pick up, let's say this image. Okay, I want to change that first image to this image, this one. Okay, then I can simply click. I have maintained a lot of images there on the website. So I can pick up any image so that I can change the image. Suppose that I want to show this one, this colorful one, right? Kids dancing. This one is my home page. Okay?
Sir,
Yes.
we can get the pictures also.
Yeah, you can get the pictures, videos, animations, Word document, PPTs, everything you can upload and show it on your website.
Thank you.
Right, it's very easy, right? So you can take a beautiful picture of your doll dresses, cake shops. You can make a beautiful, make the cupcakes and a beautiful, products, and take a picture and develop that on the website, right? So all of you can make a beautiful website and share it with others, that I am owning this company and you can come and take my product from here. Okay? Website is the information center for all your products. So you can take like say Shramani, if you're opening the nursery, you can take a beautiful picture of your pots, the plants. You can make a beautiful videos of how to grow plants. How do you plant the plants, right? So all that you can make a beautiful video and post it on your website. So it's very easy, right? So, and once you open your website, the domain name will always be with you. Nobody else can take that domain, right? It is with you. You are the owner of that domain. All right. So you can open.
Sir,
Yes.
can you search Home Helpers, which I wanted to open that website?
What is that you want to open?
Home Helpers.
Which helpers? I can't hear.
Home Helpers.
Home helpers. Yes. We will search on that. Let me first show you how to develop the website. Okay. So I want to change the front image, the one which the kids were showing. Suppose I want to take this.
Sir?
Yes.
I opened this, but it's not showing like this one.
Who is saying this?
Hi, Tamanna.
Tamanna, I will explain to you and we will buy it today. Okay, let me complete this session. It won't take more than 15 minutes. After this, we will both do it. Okay.
Okay.
So now what I will do is basically I want to change the image of my website. Okay. So if I look at the black colored dresses kids, right? They are and the backside is this beautiful flights going up in the air, right? I want to keep this as my first image on the screen. So if I select this, see this, what happens? Can you see it? It is changed. Okay. Now when I publish this and go to my website, this image will be visible to all the people, those who go on my website. Okay. I can edit it, I can change it, you know, so I can do anything on this website and make it colorful, change the color, change the image, change the videos, and make it very, very attractive so that people say, oh, wow, you have everything available. If I open my cake shop, I can make a beautiful video of how to make cake, how to make chocolates, how to make breads, all that you can do it on the website and make it very creative website so that people come and check it. And then I can also develop my Facebook page so that my friends, everybody on my Facebook friend circle knows that I have a cake shop and share my cake shop link so that people come to my website. Okay. Can you all switch on your videos again? This is the 4th time I'm telling you all. Okay, so I'm done. Anybody has any questions?
Sir, I wanted to search that. Is there any website like I
Okay.
told that?
What is that? On the home help.
I still didn't understand.
Sorry?
Not Home Help.
Sir, I still
Helpers.
I didn't understand, sir.
develop a website.
Developing a website, I will take a separate session. It will take 30 minutes. You may get tired. I have already covered so much today. So in the next session, I will show you how to develop the website. Okay?
Sir, could we explore the website?
Yes. Yes. See, when we will do it for shiningdresses.com for Tamanna, everybody can come online and I'll show you how to do it.
Okay.
Okay. So we will develop that shiningwebsite.com, the complete website together.
Sir, can you help me as well to make a website of Janora Rock Corporation?
Yes, you first put down everything on your Word document or a notepad. What kind of website you want, okay, and what you want to put down on the images, right? What are the pictures?
I can write it in the Word file.
Any format, notepad, Word, any format is okay. Write down everything what you need to show it on your website. What kind of picture that you want to show. Write everything on the piece of paper or in a Word document, and then we will discuss as to how we develop that kind of website.
Sir, do we have, for this GoDaddy, do we have to download this?
No, nothing is to be downloaded. Everything is available online. You don't have to download anything. So you go on, so Avyo, you can develop the website on Scratch or robotics, or you can open a Facebook page and put all your content on a Facebook page. or you can open a free YouTube account and put all your content on the YouTube. So there are many things, guys. Listen, if you don't want to spend money, you can create a YouTube channel. Okay, on a YouTube channel, you can upload your videos and pictures and everything else. Okay. Similarly, you can develop your Facebook page where you can share everything free of cost. Okay. So there are many things available to you. Okay. And you can develop your website also the way we just saw. You can develop your website also. So you have one option. So you have first option as a YouTube channel. You have I will show you Colors YouTube channel also. Look at this.
So
Yes.
I have a question. That how
Yes.
do we need to add an account to GoDaddy?
I will. Yeah. So GoDaddy, when you want to buy the domain, you can create an account.
Yeah, how to do it?
Sir,
It is very simple process. I will tell you.
How do we make a new domain?
Yeah. So new domain. Okay. Say Anna was asking, right? How do I search for that domain? Let me show you that.
we have to search in.godaddy.com.
Yes. Let us try that right away. Look at this, what I'm doing. So Arnav wants to make a website of the home helpers. Okay. So I go to godaddy.com. So this is the first time I'm going in. Okay. So this is the way you will see your screen. Okay. GoDaddy in.godaddy.com. You can search on Google and come to this in.godaddy.com. Okay. Now here,
Sir,
Arnav,
can you tell me how to develop it from first to the last?
how to?
How to develop it?
Yeah, I will tell you. So we have not reached that stage. Okay. Right now we are only at the domain creation step. Okay. So Arnav wants to open a website with the name homehelper.com. So he will search on here
homehelpers.
www.homehelpers.com. Your website name has to be easy.
Sir, how we will get this one?
Listen. How do we get what? How do we get what? Okay, I will show you again. Okay, I will go to google.com. Okay, this is my google.com page. Okay, now I will search on GoDaddy first. I will search on GoDaddy and it will show me the first link in.godaddy.com. When I click that, it will take me to this page, which is in.godaddy.com. Everybody understood till this point?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now
Yes, sir.
I will type, I want to open a website with the name homehelpers.com. Okay, always remember your website name has to be such that people find it easier to remember the spelling and easier to remember your website name. Okay, so homehelpers.com, it is easy, so it is a good name. Okay, now let us search Home Helpers is available or not. So homehelpers.com, when I search, see this, Home Helpers, what is the first message you're getting? Homehelpers.com is taken. That means somebody, like say this, there is somebody out here, they have shown the picture of him, have already taken this. Okay, so this is not available. You can go and purchase from this in the higher cost. We don't want to pay more, right? So he will ask for more. If somebody has taken it and we have to purchase from him, he will ask for more money. So now instead the website tells me what are the other similar names available that you can purchase. So it says househelpers.in, homehelpersss.com, homehelpers.stores. So you can choose from any of the below names.
Sir, can you search Anais? And sir, can you search the website like Anais beautiful toys.
Can you see I'm typing that? Okay, so I've typed anaybeautifultoys.com, and when I search here, see whether it is available or not. So it says, what is written here at the top?
anaybeautifultoys.com is available.
It is available. Okay, so you can buy this domain and develop your website and show everything what you want to show. Okay, Avyuk, what is the name of your company? Okay, suppose I want to name it's avyukrobotics.com. Okay, so then I will search. So it is searching for that, and it says Avyuk Robotics is available. Okay, so you need to.
Sir, can you search vishnuplaystore.com?
Vishnu.
Sir, can you vishnuplaystore.com?
Okay, so
Playzone.com, not Play Store.
Sir, can
whatever. So you can
Playzone.
playzone.com. Okay, so this Play Store is available, and Zone is. See, if you name your own thing, right? Your name, there are a lot of chances that people may misspell, right? They may not understand your spelling. So, like say somebody in US may not be able to understand your full name and then Playzone and all of that. So your website name has to be easier to spell and easier to remember. You have to be creative. Okay.
Sir, can
Yes.
you write there Canara Rock Corporation? Sir, can you search my website glowing candles? Ma'am, not
Yes.
sir, not Sinora, Yenora.
Oh, okay, okay. Is that correct?
Not double N, there will be one N and a U. Sir, the spelling is YANAURA0514.
Keep it simple. Yana, don't make it complex because people will not remember the website name. So your website name has to be simple so that people remember it, and you don't have to tell them a spelling. So they should be, you can just say,
Sir, but
Rock-
my spelling is simple.
yeah, rockcorporation.com. Okay, something like this, Rock Corporation Pune. So that people don't need the spelling. You can name something which is easier. Okay. So Rock Corporation Pune is available. Okay. So likewise, you can search the name which is easier to remember, and we can use that domain to build your website. Okay. Now, so this is all about domain and website. Okay. Yes.
Can you search? I have thought of another website as Help Me at Home.
You can search on that. You can search.
Okay.
Sir, I also have an idea for a website.
Yeah. Go ahead.
ArnavScratchTraining.com.
Yes, you can. Yeah, you can develop that. ArnavScratchTraining.com. That's a good name. So try to avoid your own name. Okay, make it very, make it like, say, for example, if you.
I can say it scratchtrainers.com.
Yeah, Scratch Trainer, because somebody in US may not be able to spell how we say Arnav, right? Somebody in Germany may not understand Arnav spelling. So we should have a name which is very generic and easier for people to remember across the globe. Across the globe. Shining Dresses is a good name because everybody calls it the same way, right? Aral, what you wanted to say?
Glowing candles is my website name.
Yes, you can. That's also a good name because everybody is remember the spelling of glowing across the globe the same way, right? So you can search that name and develop a website. You can also now this is all about domain and a website, right? Now you can also develop the YouTube. Okay, I will show you without any cost. Look at this. See, I'm going to the YouTube channel of Colors Preschool. Okay, so this is our YouTube channel. Okay, and we have all the videos uploaded here. Okay, this does not cost you anything. Are you all able to see it?
Yes.
So this is the YouTube channel. Okay, you don't have to pay anything for this. It is free of cost. You can open your own channel and upload your creative videos on this website so that people can come and check. Like say for example, the video that we did the aerobic session that I've uploaded here, and people are watching this. 18 people have already seen in the last 2 days. The storytelling which Hema ma'am has recorded is being watched by 92 people in 1 day. Yesterday we recorded and 100 people have already seen it. Okay. Similarly, I will show you some dance performance. So last year, all of your annual functions, everything is uploaded here.
Can you show the viewers?
I will show it to you later on. We have to finish the class right now. So see this one. I will show you something which is watched by many people. See this one. This song, the little playgroup junior KG song is being watched by 11,000 people. Okay, you can just share the link of your video and let people.
Sir, this is very surprising.
Sorry.
This is very surprising. Just in 2 years, we got 1,100 views.
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Yes. I will show you more. Look at this right now. Look at this. See this one, this dance performance by preschool kids. This one is watched by 63,000 people all over the world.
Need a professional logo for your brand? I've used the new Wix logo maker to create one for my startup. I'll show you how.
See, this dance performance is we uploaded some time back. This is watched by, look at the number here, 63,806 people have seen this till date. How many people? What is the number you see it there?
63,806 people.
Yeah, so this people, 63,000 people have seen this video. Okay, and there could be more. If you make a creative something which is useful for other kids, there could be million. There, sorry?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
There are 292 likes in you.
Yes. There people have also liked, some people have liked, some people have not liked it. Okay. So that is different, but how many people have seen it? You look at this here, 63,000 people have viewed this in the last 3-4 years. Okay. Since we uploaded this. So likewise, if you make something creative, okay, if you make something amazing, okay, and upload it on YouTube, there are chances that there are millions and millions of children across the world watch it. How many millions? How many millions? Okay, so you have an opportunity. You have an opportunity to show of your talent beautifully to the world. Okay, like say Astha, your drawing, right? The fun painting drawing. If you can make it a creative video and upload it on your YouTube channel, people will come and watch your channels every day. So it is your idea, your creativity. You can add more. Similarly, if you are good at something, right, you can create something of your own and people will come and watch it. Candles, right? That's a very nice idea. You can create a YouTube channel and upload your videos. Okay, so that's how it is. All right. So you have to be creative and the world is open for you. You can do what you like. Okay. Any questions you guys have?
No.
Okay.